Hey everybody. Okay, so I told you I might take you along on my adventures today. Well, we're down here at the beach. We're at the pier. This is a beach close to our home that we don't usually come to. And this is my view. We just saw a bunch of people picking mussels from along the pier right here. There's a bunch of mussels on the pylons. There's starfish over here. I have my shoes on, so I really can't go all the way in there, but look at all the mussels. And there was people down here picking them and putting in a bag. This is one of the nets that you can pick your mussels. They're really big ones. You can pick them and eat them, bring them home, make soup, stuff them, do whatever you want. They're really good. Where did that starfish go? Oh, here it is. Wait, let me get this. Here, watch out. No, leave it. Okay, there's this big starfish right there. Look at all the mussels. They're cool. Mussels on every pylon under the pier. It's really good. You can pick and eat mussels on the ones that end in R. So, and people come down here all the time. We're right by the Navy base over here, this beach. And it's a perfect day. You can see out, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's islands out there. Those are the Channel Islands. Let's see if you can see. I'm not sure. I'll have to look on this. But you can see two of the islands out here from here. It's really, really pretty. It's what? Let's see.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
I just saw that sea worm. Yeah.
Look. How cool is that? Oh, here comes water. Shoot. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Okay, so my shoes just got flooded out. There's somebody else picking mussels over there. So this is my view. Just want to take you guys along. See how pretty it is here. We have a beautiful day. It's in the mid-70s. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. People are in the water. It's really pretty. Much better than the smoky days that we had just last week. So, more to-do videos, tutorials, and stuff coming later. See you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you're not already subscribed to see all my latest videos, and lots are coming, you guys. Now that I'm back online, this is great. So, see you guys soon. Bye.